Hey guys, right, welcome to the end of the caravan. Tomorrow I'm going to paint this. So it's Friday afternoon. I've just gone and got the paint. So here is all the paint here. In there I've got all the paint ready to go. So I can't wait. So we've gone for A1 white. And here is the caravan. So I've just got to mask up the window. It's all sanded and primed. You can see this side. I don't know if you can see it with that shadow with the line on it, but I had to wipe back some, there was enamel on there. Had to wipe all that off. Probably see it better like this. I've just masked up that window. So I'm just doing a before video before we paint it. And I'm masking up the back there. I'm going to paint it here because the overspray will just land on the greenery, and I've just given this a cut right now, so I've got actually access to get through here. And I'm just going to mask it all up now. So that is, oh yeah, here is the canopy. You haven't seen that. The brand new canopy's on up there. How good does that look? Brand new. So the canvas bit was custom made to match the caravan. So there you go. Alright guys, so it's Friday afternoon. I'm going to mask all this up and then I'll see you in the next bit. So the undercoat's white, and then so it should cover quite nicely. Can't believe it's nearly done. It's been a year and a half and it's done. So we won't be long and we'll be putting this on the car and going somewhere. Anyway, we're going to get this painted, get it all taped up, and we'll paint it shortly. Alrighty, I've got it all masked up. Look at that. It's got me, I've put that on there for the, that's for the canvas, and there's one on the top and one at the back. So I've got all that masked up, ready to go. In the morning I'll probably do the wheels. Got that round there, all masked up, and round here, ready for the morning. So I'm just gonna paint over that and over the water fill. There you go. Very happy with that. I think it's going to look great. Alright guys, this is the etch primer we're using. It etches into Rhino Grip paint. It's really good paint, so we'll see how we go. The technology's changed, so we can actually paint this on in an hour. Hour later, we can actually put the top coat on. So I've just gone 4 to 1. We've just gone 4 to 1, so gone to the air, and you don't need much reducer, and that's all we're doing. So here we go, we're going to put some etch primer on first. Alright guys, I've got that primed. I'm not going to video the top coat because I've got to wear a respirator and all the rest of it now. So wasn't that bad with the primer. But we'll go over it, quickly go over it. So there's there. Looks pretty good so far with the primer. So I'm just going to mix up the top coat now and do that. It's in the middle of the day now, so there we go. So I'm just going to go hammer and tongs on this. The poor old compressor is a cheap compressor, and I don't know how she's going to go at the end of this session. Hopefully we get it done. All right, so I'm going to get in the top coat and then I'll show you the end result. Alright guys, my compressor shut itself. I thought it might have, so I had to hire one. So we've hired a compressor, 60 bucks for the day so I can keep going. And I've just mixed that up, so that was a bit of a, not even 15 minutes and I got a compressor. So, right, I'm going to do the top coat now. Alright guys, it's all painted. Very happy. It's even taking enough for me to put some reflectors on there. Anyway, this side it turned out a beautiful. No runs at all. Nice gloss all the way along it. Look at that. Really happy with that. You can see the gloss there. Alright, so we'll go down here. So I painted the spare wheel the same colour. I thought, stuff it. I don't want spiders. Spiders seem to go around black. Actually turned out really good. Poor old thing, never saw paint on it for 30 years, I reckon. You can see the gloss there. Look at that. So there is the update on the Caravan. I'm not sure if we'll do any more Caravan videos. I'm not sure about that. But I'll just show you. There's a little gloss on. And we can see the gloss on here. Hang on. Can see the gloss on there. Yeah, it turned out really good. Let me show you this bit. Lift that up, push that. Oh! And got caught on me. So that hasn't been nice and clean for a long time. You'll lift that up, put that on there. There you go. So it's sort of tack free. So you'll see a better look later, but yeah, doesn't that look good? And then there is the front. That's the front for the window, so we don't get, when we're traveling, we don't get any stones hitting the window. So they reckon get paver paint and paint the bottom, so that's a dense paint that stops the chips. Excuse me. And but we're going to get a toolbox here too, probably an aluminium one, for the awning and all that type of thing. But there you go. There you go, guys. That was a full day's work, but it's all painted. Anyway, I hope you like the update. There's the Caravan painted, ready for our holiday soon. I just got to put solar panels on the top, get the toolbox, get it registered, and we're on the road. All right, cheers guys. See you for the next metal melt.